Hi everyone. So today you can see we have received this Bentley, and this car has come for the front bumper issue. You can see the bumper is completely broken. So basically, due to the airmatic suspension, the height of the car, which generally it should be, that was not coming, and because of which now the bumper was hit and now it's broken from here. Other than that, also earlier also when the work was done, let me show you everything. You can see they've been fitted on a screw, so it doesn't look like a standard fitting. Also there was a gap between the bumper and the headlights and all that, so these rubbers were put. So now what we have done is we have called for a new bumper with all these chrome grills, etc., and it's very difficult to get Bentley bumper, so it took almost 15-20 days for us to source it, and now the car has come. Apart from these, there are also few other mechanical work and electrical faults also, so we're going to check that as well. We might also do the regular service of this car, but the main thing that the car has come for is this bumper. So we'll be painting the new bumper and installing it, and it's very tricky that we have to match the color with the existing paint of this car, and that's the paint booth in which the car will get painted. So stay tuned guys, it's an interesting project for us. Thank you. Hi everyone. So finally you can see this Bentley is completely ready, and you must have seen the video when it had come. Because of the left airmatic suspension leak, the car was not at the required height and the bumper got damaged, and this model bumper, getting it new was very difficult. So first we thought we'll rectify, but then that will not justify this car, so we had to import it, and finally we got the bumper, and now you can see that it's perfectly finished, aligned, everything is perfect. All the fitting wise there is no issue at all anywhere. Even the color is difficult to match when it comes to cars like this, but we have 100% matched the color. Full car has been polished along with that, and as I said that the bumper which has been painted, it's painted in the paint booth, and the material that we use for all the cars that we paint is Glasurit German paint. So you can see the car now, it's almost like a brand new once again because of the detailed polishing done by us. We haven't painted anything guys, it's the original paint, but just that the bumper which was damaged, so we had to paint, but the finish you can see it's a mirror finish as usual. I'll just show you the car from inside. There are a few things which were not working, the door lock unlock, remote key, etc. Everything has been fixed because of some programming issue, so we did the programming and now it's working. I'm just showing you the interior. We haven't done anything, but it's a beautiful interior, and I'm sure it's very difficult to get such kind of interior after at least I think more than 10 years. But look at the finish of these cars, and that's why these are expensive cars, because they actually provide a very good quality, and there is nothing much that we have done in this car, but it was really pleasure working on this car. Today we are delivering, and the same customer is sending his S-Class, which is again we are converting to S63 AMG. So again, very interesting project. So stay tuned guys, and in case if you want to get any such premium car done, please do call us on 7666 930 930 for Mumbai and 7666 830 830 for Hyderabad. Thank you so much guys.